Good morning, student. Today I will explain you chapter number 1, software used in accounting. Means कंप्यूटर का जो यूज़ है वो हम अकाउंटिंग के लिए कैसे करते हैं, या फिर अकाउंटिंग में कंप्यूटर का क्या रोल है। मतलब कंप्यूटर मीन्स जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर है, टैली का सॉफ्टवेयर हो सकता है, या फिर और जीएसटी रिलेटेड कुछ वर्किंग है उसके सॉफ्टवेयर हो सकते हैं। तो उसका अकाउंटिंग में कितना यूज़ है वो हम इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे। यहाँ पे हम कवर करने वाले पॉइंट जो है वो है टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, देन यूज़ ऑफ अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, देन installation of accounting software and advantages and disadvantages of accounting software, then voucher entry and report generation, इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी ट्रांजेक्शन्स। ये सारे पॉइंट इस चैप्टर में कवर करने वाले हैं। ओके, दिस इज़ द थ्योरी बेस्ड चैप्टर है ये। In this chapter, I will explain you only theory. In this chapter मीन्स इसमें कोई भी प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है या फिर उससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी पॉइंट्स इंक्लूड नहीं है, ओनली थ्योरी बेस्ड चैप्टर है ये। Computer and its users have registered a tremendous development during the last three decades, or last May means I think in 5 to 10 years में कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया है। Computers have been used effectively in science and technology to solve complex and logical problems. They have also been used for carrying out economic planning and forecasting process. In modern days, computers have made their presence felt in business and industry. The most important impact of computers is on the manner in which data is stored and processed within an organization. Although manual data processing for management information system means MIS used to be common in the past, modern management information system would be nearly impossible without the use of computer system. Nowadays, computers come in a variety of shapes, size and cost. Okay. Accounting is a routine activity in business firm. It is one of the earliest application to be computerized in business firm. Computers take the many things out of accounting. In computerized accounting, human involvement is in the creation of a company, creation of ledger and voucher entry. Once the voucher entry is completed, the accounting package is ready to generate statement and reports that normally take months together in a manual environment. Still, the accounts and the statements may not be accurate. Okay, then business transactions are evidenced by source documents like sales invoices, checks, receipts, credit note, debit note, and sale orders. Okay, computerized accounting requires transactions data to be entered, and into the accounting package. The source of this data is source documents, the evidence, the transactions. In a computerized accounting environment, the important Financial information, including other quantitative information, is proceeds by using one or more computers of any size operated by the entity themselves or by a third party with the help of one or more accounting software packages, either acquired separately or developed for the businesses specifically. In the modern competitive environment of the 21st century, computers have become absolutely necessary in everyone's day to day life. The continuous advancement in computer technology and its versatile application in business concern has resulted in the modern times as a computer age. A computer is an electronic calculating machine. It is an electronic device which is capable of performing a variety of operations as directed by the set of instructions. This set of instruction is termed as a computer program. ओके मीन्स आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चों ने टैली का कोर्स कंप्लीट किया होगा, तो आपको पता होगा कि टैली में हम जब कंपनी क्रिएट करते हैं या फिर कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होता है तो हम सिर्फ ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं, उसकी एंट्री अपने आप मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ करके हो जाती है. ओके अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम में very but common to all of them are the three characteristics: purpose of provide information, structure use of human and computer resources, and proceeds use of accounting methods. When the structure consists of only human beings, it is called manual computer and accounting information system. When the structure consists only of computer resources, it is called computerized accounting information system. If it is based on both, it is called computer-based computer and accounting information system. Data processing cycle means data processing involves the technique of collecting, sorting, relating, interpreting, and computing data items in such a manner so as to provide meaningful and useful information for decision making. The necessary steps involved in data processing cycle are data capturing, processing, and making information available to the user. Data processing cycle means the when though of the context of accounting requires series of steps. First step is source document, input data, data storage, and output of data. Okay. Then history of computer. In 1942, the world's first large-scale calculator named ENIC means Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator was built with the aid of 18,000 vacuum tubes. The ENIC weighed 30 tons and took 50,000 square feet of space. At the same time, the world's first digital computer was manufactured by IBM means International Business Machine and was known as IBM's Automatic Sequence Control Calculator. All such computers were bulky equipment requiring large space made by using vacuum tubes. With the advent of a transistor, IBM in 1959 came out with its first fully transistored computer, which operated in microsecond. This was the second generation of computers. About 10 years later, with the about 10 years later, with the development of in computers, various storage methods and integrated circuits, the third generation of computer could be developed in the early 1980s with the manufacturing of various microprocessor and silicon chips. Considerable progress was made in the computer industry, and this led to what is now the fourth generation of computers. The fifth generation of computers is currently in its evolving stage. Highly advanced computing machines are now being designed with the help of artificial intelligence and natural language processor, means NLP. ओके, देन उसके बाद जो है कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग. Computerized accounting system process silent features which in comparison to human beings turn out to be its capability. There are briefly discussed, means speed है, accuracy है, storage है, then reliability है, उसके बाद consistency है. मतलब जब कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग मतलब मैन्युअली हम कोई ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं उसके लिए जो टाइम लगता है वो जो कंप्यूटर थ्रू करते हैं उसके लिए जो टाइम लगता है वो लगता है, उसमें बहुत सारा डिफरेंस है. मतलब एज अ कंप्यूटर अगर हमने यूज़ किया तो हम जल्दी हमारे ट्रांजैक्शन कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, एंट्री कर सकते हैं. बट इन मैनुअल कंपेयर टू कंप्यूटर हमें बहुत टाइम लगता है. ओके, अगर स्पीड की बात करते हैं हम कंप्यूटर और ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो ऑब्वियसली कि जो कंप्यूटर का स्पीड है वो कंपेरेटिवली ज़्यादा है एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. मतलब एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग को जितना टाइम लगता है उससे ज़्यादा स्पीड से कंप्यूटर काम करता है. ओके, speed refers to the amount of time a computer takes in accomplishing a task or completing an operation. Computers require far lesser time than human beings in performing a task. Normally, human being takes into account a second or minute as a unit of time. But computers have such a fast operating capability that the relevant unit of times in fraction of second. Most modern computers are capable of performing 100 million calculation at per second, and that is why the industry has developed million instructions per second as the criterion to classify the different computers accounting to speed. Okay. Then accuracy. Computer is a 100% accurate machine. Computer is a 100% accurate machine. The accuracy of computer depends upon the quality of input and instructions. Thus, a computer is as accurate as the input and instructions are. Accuracy refers to the degree of with which computation are made and operations are performed. One might spend years in deducting errors in computers calculation or updating a wrong record. Most of errors in computer based information system. Computer rarely commit errors and perform all type of complex operations accurately. Means अगर कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग मतलब हम अगर मैन्युअली कोई काम करते हैं या फिर कोई एंट्री करते हैं कंप्यूटर में या कोई कंपनी क्रिएट करके उसके ट्रांजैक्शन अगर हम मैन्युअली प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो उसमें मिस्टेक होने की ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं. बट अगर कंप्यूटर से हमने किया है, अगर हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छा है, उसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, तो उसमें जो एक्यूरेसी होती है वो 100% क्लियर होती है कंपेयर टू मैन्युअली ट्रांजैक्शन जब हम बनाते हैं उससे. एंड देन अगर हम स्टोरेज की बात करते हैं तो स्टोरेज मीन्स अ कंप्यूटर कैन स्टोर ह्यूज डेटा information and software that is program file in its storage space depending upon the capacity of hard disk installed. The unit which is used to store the program and data is known as storage unit. Means storage unit means उसे हम memory भी बोल सकते हैं, main memory. The main memory of computer is divided into various cells. Each cell holds certain amount of information depending on the word length, which may be 8 bytes or 16 or 32 depending on the technical structure of the computer. The memory is usually multiply of 4.096 which represents 64 crore. देन कंसिस्टेंसी अगर देखी जाती है तो कंप्यूटर गिव्स अ सेम रिजल्ट विदाउट एनी वेरिएशंस और ऑन कंसिस्टेंट बेसिस irrespective of the number of times the program is run. This property of and the same result without variation is known as a consistency. मीन्स अभी जो हमने देखा, मैंने जो एक्सप्लेन किया वो थे जब हम कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके फीचर्स क्या है. अगर आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाए कि फ़ीचर्स क्या है तो आप लोग ये एग्ज़ाम में लिख सकते हो: स्पीड, स्टोरेज, एक्यूरेसी, कंसिस्टेंसी. ओके. अगर इन केस आपको सेकेंड टर्म में भी MCQ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो आपको ये थ्योरी अच्छे से रीड करनी है, क्योंकि जो थ्योरी बेस्ड चैप्टर है उसके ऊपर ही ज़्यादा MCQs आने के चांसेस होते हैं कंपेयर टू प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम देखेंगे और एक्चुअल में अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर जो है मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर का पैकेज क्या होते हैं, उसके टाइप्स क्या है, उसके बाद कौन से मतलब कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर कौन से फील्ड में अच्छी तरह यूज़ होगा और उसके एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर को देखेंगे. थैंक यू.